Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to round a number to any decimal place in Notion. If you're working with databases that contain calculations or measurements, controlling how many decimal places display can make your data look cleaner and more professional. Let's walk through how to adjust this quickly. First, open Notion and select the workspace where your database is located. Once you're in, navigate to the specific database that contains the number column you want to format. This could be a table tracking expenses, project metrics, or any data involving numerical calculations. Now look at the column header of the formula that's currently displaying decimal numbers. Click directly on this header to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing that property. This is where you'll access the formatting controls for your numerical data. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Edit Property. This opens up the Property Settings panel, which gives you full control over how that column displays information. It's a simple but powerful feature that lets you customize the appearance of your data without changing the underlying calculations. Within the property settings, you'll see an option for decimal places. Notion offers 4 standard choices: 0 decimals, 1 decimal, 2 decimals, or 3 decimals. Select whichever option best suits your needs. For instance, if you're dealing with currency, 2 decimal places is typically ideal. For percentages or measurements that need more precision, you might opt for 3 decimals. If you're working with whole numbers like item counts, 0 decimals will clean things up nicely. After selecting your preferred decimal place setting, take a moment to check the results in your database. You'll notice that all the numbers in that column now display with the exact level of precision you specified. The underlying values remain unchanged, but the visual presentation is now exactly what you need for clarity and consistency. And that's it. You've successfully formatted your Notion numbers to display the exact number of decimal places you want. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how readable and professional your databases look. Thanks for watching.